Good morning. Top of the morning to you. All right, let's open up Discord. It's honestly crazy how news is always priced in. What a fake, dirty little move. SMT between the 30-minute cycles as well, and then a full retrace back up. This was so nice to see. Good morning, Big Mike. I'm guessing you guys left a little late. PM fade trade. I don't have Heiken. 5 minutes from the border. Yeah, you guys didn't leave at 7 a.m., huh? Somebody's a little late. I had eggs. Yeah, I needed a bit of orange juice. PPI, yeah, at 8:30. Hopefully we get better price action than yesterday. Yesterday was horrible. So futures flow right now is taking a break. I'm telling you, man, higher prices make so much sense for this week. Look on the 4-hour what we have. 1 high, 2 high, 3 high. A swing high from previous day high. We have the previous week high as well, not just the previous day high. And look at these relatively equal highs up here, what we have too. This entire pool of liquidity here is super nice to grab for the week. If you don't grab it today, I think we're going to grab it tomorrow. But I'll be honest, I think today's the day we take it. Maybe Friday we'll come back down into the range. Good morning, David.
Morning. So funny, I took the dog out a bit. I fed Dylan. Feel bad for Bella, man.
Yeah.
Her two favorite people are gone for 4 days.
She's going to be so bored.
Yeah.
Look what Dad said. Dylan ate already.
And then when I leave the house, Bella's alone. We got 9:30 on its way.
Hello, 9:30.
Dylan ate already. I fed him. You got double breakfast.
Look how crazy. We didn't even take Asia buy side. And look at NQ how high and ES is. Sorry, look at ES. How much further it is from NQ compared to Asia.
Compared to Asia, yeah, but we have Wednesday's high that ES gonna take, and Q could grab it too. It's just a bit higher.
Just make equal highs with it. Yeah, ES made equal highs with it. News made a beautiful bearish. Not bearish. News made a beautiful bullish SMT here at the lows. At 8:31 on the dot, it was super clean. What's up, Hattie? Good morning, TA.
Well, no clean hard time frame for value gaps. You have a little 30 that you're in right now. But if you look at the week, what we're really holding is the new day opening gaps. The new week opening gap, and then every other new day opening gap we're holding pretty well. We've been holding them very well.
We should get better price action today compared to yesterday.
Big 30's pushing lower, so of course I want to look for longs.
Good morning, Kathleen. Are you saying that because of David? I'm guessing that's where you're going with it. King David. Hmm.
King David.
The only news we had today was at 8:30, right?
I think so. If I remember, PPI. I didn't check, but I know after CPI is PPI.
Yeah, that's it. 8:30. Well, those are candles, huh?
Yeah. All right, then Q took out Wednesday's highs, Monday high, Tuesday's high.
Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, all here. Next up, all it has is all-time highs. That's it.
That's insane.
Wow.
Well, we respected that 30. It's the only thing we had, right?
Yeah. The midnight open. So 30 minutes value gap, right up midnight open, that's it. And then it's the first 10 minutes. I don't touch the first 10 minutes. Better to wait.
The issue is we got some great targets above, man.
Well, AS only has all-time highs.
Previous week high and yeah, for NQ we have a lot. Go look on the 4 hour. We have so many equal, like relatively equal highs up here.
Yeah,
Right, with
the 2
previous
weekly
week high.
highs. That's it. All I got is 2 weekly highs above. Might have marked out.
The Friday of the 10 and no, you're right. It also lands with the high of the Monday to 6. It's in the same week. But yeah, there's like relatively equal highs of Monday and that Friday. Well, that was a hard sneeze, man.
Well, all-time highs are in sight for ES. Crazy. I wonder if we're gonna take them today.
I wouldn't be surprised. How far is ES from it? Ooh, not that far. 15 points away. Wow, really holding up there,
Yeah.
huh? Oh, I think I remembered why I called you yesterday. I was gonna say try to book a pickleball court.
For today?
Yeah, I think that's why I called you, but my brain was so tired and I completely forgot.
I don't think anybody would be able to play anyways.
It's a nice day too.
It's a Cathcart night.
No rain.
That means the guys are playing Cathcart.
Bro, me, you, Eric Costa.
Potentially, yeah. I wouldn't mind going, I think.
What a run. New York session. Woo woo. It's crazy how Asia's been doing pretty well. The Asian session has had a decent moves. Asia has moves, but for the most part, it's like consolidation.
We got a long way down, but still got weekly highs above.
It should be clean though, TA. Getting a bit more volume should be better for us during the AM session. I'd rather the moves have speed than the moves have no speed. You don't want to be in a trade for that long. When the market moves quick to its targets, it's easier for us to capitalize on it. Easier for us to miss it as well, but good morning, JC. It wasn't too far too fast. What is it? 870 to... It wasn't even 200 points yet, actually. Just the candles look so much bigger because the average candle before 9:30 was like what 2, 3, 5 points. No, about 10
Yeah,
points. They
it
look
was
small
very
though.
small.
Yeah, we'll see about 10 points. Yeah, the market's been a bit slow, unfortunately. Like I said, we have a lot of clean targets up here on the 4 hour. Or like David said on the weekly, we have a nice weekly high up here. Another
At
weekly
least we
high
look
up
like we're
here.
getting some price action today.
Yeah, we're gonna get some nice
So he
speed here.
keeps it up.
Yeah, look, we're about to take it all. All those highs on the 4 hour, that's the highest one is at 94. We just took it out. Short, TAA, short.
Whoa.
Well, yeah, we took out a lot of decent highs on the 4 hour. Look at the previous week high with all these highs that we didn't take out yet as well. So now we're kind of clear skies all the way up to 30,322. We have some room to run now.
Indeed, indeed. It is all clear skies.
Fly away, birdie. It's okay, at least it was a Wednesday that was inside garbage day.
Wow, what a run. ES is coming
Yeah.
close, no? Yeah, ES is close to all-time highs.
Yeah. Should be very close. 5 points away maybe. What was it at? Yeah, it's like at 820. You said maybe, but can you try to book in case we go, Dave, instead of looking later?
Yeah, it's for sure all booked already. I told you, you gotta book like 2 days in advance. I'm not gonna go look for nothing. I guarantee you. Let's check. I told you, people book 2 days in advance, bro.
If not, look at Kennedy.
It's all booked. Kennedy all booked, Boot City all booked, Saint Martin all booked. Kennedy's booked from 4:30 all the way to 10:30. Really, every park in Laval is all booked. Crazy. Not surprised though. People book like 2-3 days in advance.
I don't know
You
how
can
it's
book
always
2
booked
weeks
till
in
10:30,
advance.
but then when we go, there's no one there from like 9:30 to 11 every day.
Okay.
It was just a statement. It wasn't an attack towards you, bro.
I'm just saying it's all booked.
I
There's
know it's
nothing I can
insane.
do. We have to book 2 days in advance. Because when it's Thursday, you could book for Saturday. That's why
So today,
Sunday
book
at
for Saturday.
midnight. Huh?
So book for Saturday. How about tomorrow in the
Yeah,
afternoon?
Saturday.
Hello?
Hello?
Ask you a question.
What?
I said, how about tomorrow in the afternoon?
What does that mean, afternoon? 2 o'clock?
Like 3, 4?
Who's gonna play? Me and you? That was a question, by the way.
I don't know, me, you, Eric. Just to find one more. Eric's home at 1:40 every day. You forgot.
Yeah, and everyone works.
I think my stream's bugging. Or it's my phone. Are you on my stream? Do you see if it's working or no? It's not loading on my phone.
Yeah, I see you. That's good. Dream's moving.
Oh, good. So it's my phone then. ES has to take all-time high today, right? I don't think it's gonna fall short by a couple points.
It should. It's right there, anyways. Damn, I really wanted to play yesterday. Oh, did you end up finishing the battle in Naruto?
No,
No?
no.
So you stopped when I got off the phone?
Yeah. And then I watched some heroes.
Uh,
Alright, we're getting closer. Slowly but surely.
yes, gonna leave it. It's gonna come back down.
I don't believe. I think we're gonna take it. It has been falling short though sometimes of many sessions of like Asia and stuff like that. So who knows? But we came up pretty strong. I think we smashed it.
Hulk smash.
There it is. Come on, yes. Less than 2 points away. It hit 819. Oh. Yes, all-time highs, chat. Yes or no? We're banging on heaven's door. Here it comes. All-time high. Ba-ding, ba-ding, ba-ding.
Crazy. Absolutely wild.
Yeah, that's nuts. The issues with this is I have no idea where we can retrace from on NQ. Ten AM. Woot woot.
Oh, he just broke all-time highs. Yes didn't come to play.
No, it did not.
Oh, it's a really fast move up too. Yes, it's a rocket ship.
What are the odds we close that for value get? 10 seconds?
Wow, look at that move.
ES still pushing up, huh?
Yeah,
ES still
where's it
pushing.
going? I mean, oh, there's a lot of moves we can get to retrace lower. This is a huge move.
We're for sure gonna get an opportunity today.
I think we will. Price action's pretty decent. I hope we just don't start to consolidate like yesterday, but problem is all targets have been taken already. The only thing I'd be mostly looking for is a trade to retrace lower. Wow, that's a crazy move.
Yeah. I don't know what I trust here.
Well, for now we're just going long, so there's no structure to even think short yet.
Knock, knock, knock on heaven's door. The coffee's giving me a bit of the jitters. I don't know why it does that sometimes and sometimes it doesn't.
You said coffee?
Yeah, it gives me the jitters. Sometimes it doesn't, but today it is. Where else could we go? Anything we have on the daily? It's pretty much the only thing we have up at 320.
Wow, how come it looks dark in the kitchen area that you're in? Hello?
Yeah, no lights.
Oh, it looks like it looks
And the
like it's
sun
nighttime.
is not in the back.
That's so funny. It actually looks like it's nighttime.
Bro, I have a bit of an eye strain, you know when you look up and it
Yeah,
hurts?
I hate that. Just leave it to heals by itself.
Yeah. I would really like to see a little retrace between under the 10 a.m. open at the lows of right under 10 a.m. and then we can look for longs again. I think today would be wrong to be looking for shorts. What's ES doing? Pushing to. Really had to finish red. Here we go. Oh, that's what I've been forgetting. Creatine. I don't know about you, but it's so hard to remember to take it.
I take it with breakfast.
Yeah, you see, you started a good habit. The only habit I have is I'll take it when I work out. If I get a shake after. So bad. And you have the occasional morning where I remember and I mix it in orange juice. But I've been very forgetful on it. That's why we gotta be patient, chat. We know an opportunity is gonna present itself most probably. Just gotta sit tight and wait for it to happen. Well, my cough is still pretty bad. Okay, I wouldn't even mind this one more soup of the high. I just wouldn't want it to close above. Are we gonna fly through it or not? No, stay green. Stay green. Bro, it looks like I'm doing anything on my chart, but my setup keeps like about to happen. Keeps like teasing.
Yeah, I guess it's slowing down a bit. But we're still pumping. Like, what a move up. Pretty crazy.
Look again and almost. That's crazy.
Order filled.
Going short, chat. I have to move it to break even right away. It tapped into that gap. Probably break even, to be honest. If we get a flush of 10 points for the 80s, doesn't look like we could.
Wow, that's so down.
Stop filled.
30 break even. How far did we go? 0.7 about. It's okay, Chad. Break even better than a loser. Can't complain. Can't complain. Damn, I was really hoping for a winner. Couldn't have had a little flush to the 79 area. The risk was weird though. What was it? 5. That's what I had, I think.
Wow, look at ES. Still going. Really crazy.
Yes, the runner. Who's that guy who's super fast? Roadrunner. ES is like the Roadrunner.
I thought you were thinking of like a Marvel character.
No.
The Roadrunner.
TA, are you trying to guess the top? I thought that trade was gonna work. The only thing that was stopping me, I think, was that 50% of the range. Yeah, I had to take it. It was my trade setup short at 10.19. We inversed it for value gap, and we had like another internal soup. So I was really hoping that we'd flush. I just needed 79, 78.50. I think I needed like right here. Didn't need much. It's okay. We could still get it again. No rush. Just patience. Come on, Nick, you just go take the high again. We know you want to. You're not leaving equal highs up there too. I hate when NQ leaves equal highs.
No, we're really slowing down. Oh, that's an insane move.
Ah, no, the daily looks so bullish. Look at the daily chart. The daily looks very bullish.
You're on the 1 minute.
I'm on the 1 minute now, yeah, but I was on the daily.
Oh. I heard
Look,
you
I'm
say,
back
look
on
at
the
the
daily.
daily. I was like, no, what?
That's what I said, yeah. I said look at the daily. Looks like we kind of just broke the trend line in the last 2 days, so I don't... Like, we could be pushing up very strong for the rest of the day.
Oh, NQ. Unbelievable. Tell me what. Feel bad. I hear the dog crying, man. Poor thing.
Go get her. Bring her down.
Bro, I tried before, man. She doesn't. I brought her bed from Megan's room. I tried to put her on my lap. Like, she freaks out downstairs because she's not used to being here. So she's always like running around sniffing, and she's gonna poop and pee on the floor.
Where are we going? The only thing I see is that daily high at like 320. It's the only thing I see left. Where are we going? Somebody give me a hint. Going up on a Tuesday.
Feel so bad for her crying. She's not even like howling. She just. I hear the little sad cries.
She's in a big house all alone. Where's the family? They all left me. She's trying to wake up Mom, trying to wake up Meg. Nobody's here. They all left. They abandoned me. Imagine if dogs could talk. Megan comes back. You didn't take me with you, bitch.
It's just a common courtesy to ask. Got it.
Yo, where are we going? Chet, the only thing I see is a high at 320 on a daily high. That's the only other spot I see above us. Is this really the move? Don't believe it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good morning, Bella. Wow, this week has been testing my patience, man.
Yeah, I didn't really find much either, to be honest.
I think I got a tiny winner on Monday and 2 break evens. We're not that far from that daily high as well. 320, 70 points. Yes, back at all-time highs as well. Are you seeing this candle?
I see you coming.
If you get a double black, would you consider it?
Yeah, I gotta check the little range here. See what 50% is. Okay, depends where it closes, to be
Yeah.
honest.
The first candle is pretty large too.
Yeah, very sure.
Oops, 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 what happened?
I don't know, but we are high up in a premium, bro.
Indeed we are.
We're not gonna disrespect. Do we have any? We're in a 5, but there's a 5 that's lower, there's a 15 that's below.
Yes, I don't know.
Like, look how much we've come up. We're due for a retrace.
It's okay, it wasn't a bearish candle anyways, so. I think when you're not sure, better to avoid it. I know what you mean though, we're in a high premium and we're due for a little retrace. Now we have so many unfilled gaps on the way down as well. Look at that, look at a 15-minute. We're about to have 4 unfilleds back to back. We wait. Did I just see well? Bro, on M&Q it's a black candle. Yeah, it is. That's so funny. It's been a while. I haven't gone this long with no action. I don't even count the break evens because it's not a loss or no winner. It's like, yeah, I did nothing. It's like I pulled the trigger and caught the bullet and put it right back in my gun.
I have to take this. I don't know about this.
Huh?
I don't know how I feel about this, man.
Yeah, no.
I'll wait. We're very bullish. We just tapped into a 5, a 15. Poor dog, it sounds like she's crying in a cage. It's so lonely.
Sorry?
I feel bad, she feels lonely.
Yeah. My little puppy. Bro, it's like last time she didn't even know who I was. She probably thought I was you. I came in from the back door. She didn't even wag her tail or nothing until I got close to her and she sniffed me.
She's like, what? This is not how.
She's like, wait, what? This is not David. Something's different. Who is this guy? Oh, that's my other brother. Welcome home.
She said, get a load of this guy.
Get a load of this guy. That's crazy.
Damn. Closes below.
Yes, tapped into the last revive gap with the leg too. I don't know,
Nothing yet.
Yeah, me too. Patience.
Yeah, I'd like to see us retrace till at least 10 a.m.
We're getting better movement, at least. Today might give us a nice opportunity. Just have to wait. You know, we get the opportunities on the day, you just cannot pull the trigger early. We're at an interesting spot here too. Maybe one more retrace up before the move down, we'll see. Back into this gap. It's gonna be a long day, man. Let's get some movement. Come on, man. How are the markets today? A little bit better. Got a break even this morning. Not too shabby. I'd like a little bit more though.
Yeah, we got a failure swing high, one green candle here. I'm watching that for now.
It's a pretty bearish candle. It's already a good size retrace though to the downside. Where we were at 205, we hit already 270. I don't know. Curious to see if we inverse the fair value gap and the volume imbalance on the 15-minute in 3 minutes from now. It's been a bit tricky to read the markets lately. It's been harder than usual.
Yeah, we're slowing down here. We're not getting much follow through and big moves at all.
Yeah.
We're not really getting much.
I don't know what I'm leaning towards. Yes, pushing higher again. But again, yes, his retrace was a lot bigger. I'm telling you, when yes pushes, it's like NQ has hard times following. They do weird shit. They're supposed to have like a 0.86 correlation between the two. Interesting candle here, huh? Very interesting candle. Another SMT at the low. It's like we were forming external and internal bullish SMTs. Now we're forming a lot of low resistance liquidity and ES is pushing up again. No trade here yet. Going back up again is crazy.
Well, we're really not doing much.
Yeah.
Slowed down a bit. Pretty large SMT though with ES.
Forming a lot of buy side though.
No crazy movement though. Sandwiches. Sandwiches, what am I saying? Candles are like stuck together, larger wicks, no follow through. Nothing's really screaming bearish for now. Damn, I was really looking forward to pickleball last night.
Bro, don't tell me about it. I've been craving it every day. I can't go.
I showered before, I got dressed, prepared my water with full of ice, left it at the front, prepared my shoes. Bro, come on.
Weather forecast always showing rain here. I think this has to be one of the worst summers we've had in our area. Bro, when we were kids, we had 3-4 months of summer, hot every day. It's rare it rained. And now we get gray clouds and rain every single day. You get a 4-hour gap in the day where you see the sun. What an interesting candle.
It's gonna get reversed right away. Shoot.
Makes my brain lean bearish. That means it's a trap. If it's obvious, it's a trap.
No, I'd want to see NQ at least come back to 10 a.m.
It's funny, every time there's like a tiny consolidation, that's normally where we hesitate. We have one here, another one here where 10 a.m. is, you're right. Nothing much going on. Someone's pulling a prank. Prank him, John. I told you when it looks good, it ain't good. And we filled up the entire gap that we would have had here. I think the retrace till 10 o'clock makes sense. We have another 15 lower and another 15. We got a couple 15 unmitigated gaps. What is ES showing us too? ES is coming back down slowly. You know what that means, right? It means it's NQ's time to shine. It's like playing tag with ES. It's always been it though. Ask for advice, get money twice. I wonder if people that's been trading for 4 or 5 years, when they get into a trade, are they still nervous, you think, or no?
Nah, I don't think so. Maybe a bit, but a lot less from when you just start.
Alright, looks like we can have a little crash here. Look at ES. So hesitant to take anything though. Yeah, we're kind of consolidating in the consolidation we had here before the last up move. I'm going to stay patient. Volatility isn't so bad today, so we might just get a...
Wait, did you say volatility has been bad?
No, it hasn't been bad.
Oh.
We're probably going to get an opportunity, we just have to be patient. Don't pull the trigger early. On days like this, you get opportunities. That's why you got to stay patient. Because you don't want to take something you're not supposed to, and then you miss the one that you're supposed to take. Stay patient. The range is getting tighter. We're gonna squeeze, 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 and we're gonna pop in a direction. Come on, and Q, stop consolidating. Ouch. What is that? Yes, sir, TA, that's why we have to wait. Let it pick a direction, let it move a little bit more. Gotta wait for a sign. We're rejecting out of a 5. We get some nice unfilled 15s beneath us as well. 10 a.m., right above 10 a.m., we got another 15.
That's it. We're slowing down for the morning.
For real, 10:45 to 11:15 macro did absolutely nothing. Patience is actually such the name of the game. Discipline is gets rewarded so much. But I'm telling you, it's actually like a sniper in a third world war country. You have to stay so patient, but you actually got to stay focused at the same time. The entire time.
Oh, I thought if I was a member of the gym at tennis, I'd be able to give discounts on pickleball.
I'm surprised you don't even have access to the courts, but you're a member over there.
Bro, I walk in the gym, I could technically just go to a court.
Yeah, I
So
know,
me
but
and you-
how many times are you
No.
gonna? How many
Hmm?
times are they gonna be? Oh, that's my court. Oh, that's my court.
No, bro, you look online, you see what's booked, what's not booked. And it closes at 11, so if it's like 9:15 and there's a court not booked, we could play me and you. Use my pass to get in and we go play me and you. We could literally play for free, me and you.
Get me in.
Yeah, just use my pass to get in.
Yes, doesn't look like he really wants to come back up. And Q looks like it kind of wants to go. Another internal SMT, and we got equal lows now on Q. We're forming buy side and sell side. We're respecting more bullish order flow, but we are rejecting out of a 5-minute bearish. Markets are playing mind games. Am I going up or am I going down? How many people can I catch before the move? Catch them all.
Yeah, and Q's really not doing much. He took out a lot of draws though.
Yeah,
I think it was what, 3 daily highs, 2 weekly highs we took out.
yeah, we took out a lot.
That's quite a bit.
Yeah, you're right. It is. We took out pretty much everything. What's left is like all-time highs and another daily high, like the 320, I think. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What a strong daily candle. Still have room to go though if we really want to.
Don't watch the fight for Naruto. When I come tonight, I'll watch it with you.
Oh, you're coming?
Yeah, why not? I have nothing here anyways. I have meat in a bag from Costco there, that braised beef. I was thinking maybe I'll make it like tomorrow for supper. Saturday. I don't really have any other ideas.
I don't get how my office
Yeah.
gets that hot. I mean, I have a vent. The AC's on. The room next to me feels like 3 degrees or 4 degrees colder. I come back in my room, the door's open, and when I come back in my room, you feel the heat. Honestly, one more internal bearish SMT in this cycle, I would be convinced to try a short. But for now, nothing. Like I said, it happens so many times. You're like a couple points from your setup and it doesn't happen, so. The stars do not align in your favor. Another internal sweep.
So I go Cathco, but not really down.
Bro, this is actually a joke. Don't trust this for shit yet. Yes, looks like it wants to have a little continuation shorter, but Q looks like it. I don't think NQ's done yet. This long's gonna work, I think. I think that swing low is gonna be a protected low. Big SMT here. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, it's whipping a lot. You gotta be patient, man. I really like this green candle 1119 to continue up higher, but unfortunately it's not one of my setup. It didn't soup any lows. No internal low, so nothing for me yet. It's okay, we'll find something today, I think. Price action is, volume is still pretty decent, so I think we can still find an opportunity. Just gotta be patient.
So surprised. Yes is always leading.
Mm-hmm. What up, cheese? How's your morning? Anything fun? Any trades? We didn't find anything yet. Nothing at all. Look at MNQ and NQ. Look at the difference. NQ swept that internal high we made at 1121. MNQ did not either.
Wow, what a run up too.
Yeah. This could be the move lower,
Oh, yes,
maybe.
still dropping and Q still doing nothing.
That's a setup also I used to look at back in the day when you have an internal soup and you have two down close candles and a green right before, like at 11:23. I used to look at that too. There's so many things I used to look at back in the day. I mean, it's not that far back, but another bullish SMT's at the low.
Yeah, it's gonna come back for the 9:30 low. NQ still gonna be above 10
Look,
a.m.
look. You have to watch.
I haven't seen the. Oh, there's the cat. I haven't seen the cat all morning. Probably like, where the hell is Dad?
For real.
Where the hell is Mike?
Where's my boy?
I would feel bad going to Cathcart and leaving the dog here from like 6 to 11.
Yeah, she has no one right now.
Well, at least she has the whole house to herself.
What does that mean if you're alone? It means nothing.
Yeah, it's not like she's confined to a cage.
Another long morning with nothing, man. My patience is slowly fading away.
Dad's funny. Dad threw like 30 treats all over the basement.
Here's a message for the cat. I'll be back soon. I fed the little squirrel this morning too. Well, we all fed animals today.
Yeah.
How's your patience? Is your patience being tested?
It's alright. Nothing crazy.
Bro, this is trash. I think we tapped into the lower 15 here, no? Yeah.
Oh, we're starting to get some movement.
Yeah, a little bit more movement. Almost lunchtime though. Another closure below. Looks pretty bearish to me now. I think the sign that showed that we were bearish was the candle 1127. What sucked is that it didn't close below those internal lows, but we did have a SMT at the top and an internal fair value gap in and completely closure below. I don't know, nothing here though. Bro, we're Thursday. Where are the trades, man? Where are you hiding? Well, I really gotta do some stretches, man. But if I pull my arm to the right and I like try to bring my wrist back, my whole index finger and my wrist goes numb. I'm gonna get carpal tunnel syndrome.
Wait, if you do what?
I'm just so stiff. Like if I try to stretch my chest and I bring my arm backwards, but then I also try to bring my wrist back, and the more I try to reach behind me, the more my index becomes like I don't know, it feels inflated.
Yeah, me too. I open up my chest, I bring my wrist back, and my index finger, my whole hand feels like it's gonna explode.
Crazy, huh?
Wow, that's crazy. I didn't even know that could happen. Bro, what? It has to be. Everyone has to have that.
Nah, it's because we're so stiff.
My fingers are like numb.
Because we don't have flexibility. Wow, so we have 4 setups all together and not one setup happened today yet.
Yeah, I didn't have anything really.
Me neither.
To be honest. Huh?
I said me neither. There's nothing I had that's clean to take.
There's nothing I had that I said, wow, this is nice. It happens.
My trades are always so close to happening. You gotta be so patient. Oh no, my music's gone. What you want? What you want?
God damn, it's 11:45 already.
Yeah, I know the morning passed by pretty quick. Bombaklat.
Yes, Sparky, how are you? Where's your papa? Where's Mike?
Imagine you hear Bella hearing you through the vents. And you just hear through the vent. "Arr, arr." She found a way to communicate.
Have to go on my desk.
But that's crazy. You check like 3-4 different courts and they're all booked today. What the hell, man?
Yeah, it happens.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
How fast running I am going.
We have equal highs up there, no opportunities for me there. What else do we have here? The lows down here are not the exact same. 1130, 1137. No SMT trade for me as well. It's not a perfect SMT. 37, 38. Alright, chat, I'm going to call it quits for today. Not for today, but for the AM session. I'll be back for PM. There's nothing here that's going to hit for me in the next 5 minutes. I don't really trade past 11:55, so I'll be back for the PM session. Thank you guys for joining. Subscribe, like, turn on post notifications so you guys will see when I'm on in the PM session. And thank you all for joining.